Hello everyone, how to Tuts back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to change language on TikTok PC. So go to any browser. I'm using Google Chrome, and go to the URL tiktok.com. Then you can see the option right top corner on your screen. It's called profile icon. Once you just keep your mouse, then you will see there is a couple of options here, and here you can see the option English. It means my TikTok now using in English. Simply click here, then you'll get here a lot of language, so you have to select which language you want to set as your here. So you'll find here couple of language. You can choose which language and then simply click here, then it can be changed. So okay friend, today's number, and thank you for watching.